En teden po množičnem strelskem pohodu v Parklandu, kjer je umrlo 17 ljudi, je Donald Trump sprejel žrtve, preživele in njihove družine. V Beli hiši je bila organizirana javna razprava. Več televizijskih kamer je zajelo čustvene izpovedi vseh prisotnih, v katerih ni manjkalo pozivov k omejeni dostopnosti strelskega orožja.
And I don't understand why I could still go in a store and buy a weapon of war, an AR. I was reading today that a person 20 years old walked into a store and bought an AR-15 in 5 minutes with an expired ID. How is it that easy to buy this type of weapon?
Rešitve so po besedah žalujočih dokaj preproste.
It's simple. It's not difficult. We protect airports, we protect concerts, stadiums, embassies, the Department of Education that I walked in today that has a security guard in the elevator. How do you think that makes me feel? In the elevator, they got a security guard. I'm very angry that this happened because it keeps happening. 9/11 happened once and they fixed everything. How many schools, how many children have to get shot? It stops here with this administration and me. I'm not going to sleep until it's fixed.
Na njihovo žalost se zdi, da predsednik ni z njimi na enaki valovni dolžini. Nič namreč ni namigovalo na omejitev dostopa orožja. Ustavilo se je pri ohlapnih napovedih o poostrenem nadzoru.
We're going to be very strong on background checks. We'll be doing very strong background checks, very strong emphasis on the mental health of somebody, and we are going to do plenty of other things.
Nekateri predlogi so celo predvidevali več orožja.
It only works where you have people very adept at using firearms, of which you have many. And it would be teachers and coaches. If the coach had a firearm in his locker when he ran at this guy, that coach was very brave. Saved a lot of lives, I suspect. But if he had a firearm, he wouldn't have had a run. He would have shot, and that would have been the end of it.
Kako tudi ne. V Ameriki namreč velja posebna oblika zakona, po kateri imajo korporacije pravico govora, ta pa se izraža s pomočjo denarja. Če upoštevamo namige, da naj bi NRA, torej zagovorniki orožja, podpirali Trumpovo kampanjo z več 10 milijoni dolarjev, je vse jasno. Radikalne spremembe glede dostopnosti do orožja, po katerih se zadnje čase v ZDA vse bolj opozarja, bi vsak optimist pogojil z malim čudežem.